every pregnancy gets completed and transitions into the journey of motherhood. There are some pregnancy cases where a medical termination of pregnancy might be seen due to any medical reasons, or sometimes there is a missed abortion. How can women take care of themselves, and how the family can support women in such a situation? Come, let's find out what Dr. Sheetal Agarwal, a senior consultant obstetric gynecologist from Rosewalk Hospital, has to say.
I am Dr. Sheetal Agarwal. I am senior consultant obstetrician gynecologist practicing in South Delhi. My main area of interest is high risk pregnancies, infertility, gynae laparoscopic surgery and gynae oncosurgeries. I love taking high risk cases, and it's a pleasure when you deliver, both mother and child healthy. It really gives me a big thrill. First of all, we have to find out why miscarriage occurs. So here I would like to tell everyone that in 99% cases of first trimester abortion, that is within first 1 or 2 months, the abortion cause in 99% of the cases is congenital malformation. That means a child who is developing in the uterus is not compatible with life. The baby in utero is having so many congenital malformations that baby will not be able to thrive outside the uterus. So that is nature's way of eliminating pregnancy. So when a patient undergoes this missed abortion, first of all we have to explain to the patient that this is not your fault. This is, in a way, this is something has happened for your benefit because this child is not compatible to live. Once you are able to put that thing into the psyche of the patient, 90% of the problem is solved. The patient also then understands that it is for her benefit that this pregnancy has gone into missed abortion. Then of course the support of the family is very important, especially the in-laws and the husband. Husband has to be really very forthcoming, very compassionate with the patient. The in-laws have to be very compassionate. They have to give constant moral support to the patient that yes, this has happened, next time there is always a next time. And I have seen that many a times after IVF, this happens quite common after IVF pregnancies, because IVF pregnancies are generally, we do IVF when a patient is in an elderly age group, say in 30s, 35s, wherein the chances of congenital malformation are very high. So you have to give complete support to the patient. You have to tell the patient cause कि ये क्यों हुआ है. There is always a next chance, and how can you avoid it? अभी तो हो गया है, पेशेंट आके आपसे पूछेगा मैं ऐसा क्या करूं कि मेरे को आगे जाके ये ना हो, and next pregnancy is a very safe pregnancy. So we tell patients कि you wait for 3 months, build up your stamina, your energy in these 3 months, and we start the patient on folic acid supplementation. Now folic acid, in 99% of the cases, folic acid prevents neural tube defects and congenital malformation associated with the spinal cord, which is the major cause of congenital malformation in these pregnancies. So once you put the patient on folic acid supplementation, the chances of having missed abortion decreases considerably. So you tell the patient it is not something that it will happen again, though the incident, it does happen in say less than 2 to 3% of the cases, missed abortion does happen. But if adequate precautions are taken and you have started the patient on folic acid supplementation, plus you have support of the family, you have a positive thinking. I always tell my patients, think positive, don't let negativity creep into your mind. So if you think positive, you are taking folic acid supplementations, there is a very much likelihood that next pregnancy is going to be a very normal pregnancy.